element name is unilateral. Next element name is unilateral. What do you mean by unilateral? Unilateral network elements. The unilateral elements, as you could see, the circuit whose properties or characteristics change with the direction of its operation is said to be unilateral. A diode rectifier is a unilateral because it cannot perform rectification in both directions. You could see here in the diagram there are several diodes which can perform in either one direction, either forward bias or in any reverse bias. But you have seen in the laboratory, if you are having the diode, it will work either in forward bias or in reverse bias. Okay, there are the some diodes are there which work in only reverse bias. Some diodes are there which works in the forward bias. Now, what do you mean by bilateral circuits? Bilateral circuit is one whose properties or characteristics are the same in either direction. Either current is flowing from positive to negative or negative to positive. In both cases, the characteristics will be same. Examples are inductor. You could see the example resistor, inductor and capacitor. The usual transmission line is bilateral because it can be made to perform its function equally well in either direction. Guys, we will go to our digital board and we'll try to understand both concepts in briefly one by one. What is the unilateral element? What is the unilateral element? As we know, unilateral elements are those elements in which they have the property with the current in one direction. For example, our diode is there and you could know diode is working in forward bias, then it will be switch and it could work, okay, in the forward bias. When circuit is closed, we are going to get our current values. But in the case of the reverse bias, when I am going to apply the voltage across it, you could see the equivalent diagram. Our circuit will be open because our diode is going to be off. Then there is the zero current. This is the normal PN junction diode. But some diode will be there which work in the negative, but it won't work in the forward bias. Anyhow, you could summarize it. Unilateral element are those elements which shows the property with the current in one direction. Their characteristics will get with the current in any one direction. Okay guys, that is coming under the unilateral element. Example for that, diode is there. Diode is the best example for the unilateral element. Okay guys, is it clear? Next, we will understand about the bilateral element. What are the bilateral elements? Bilateral elements are those elements in which we get the characteristics with the current in either direction. In either direction means both direction we are going to get the characteristics. For example, what are the examples for that? For that, one resistor is there. Either current is flowing from this direction or this direction. We have the current magnitude. Okay guys, it could be 5 ampere or it is the different direction, it could be minus 5 ampere. But we have the magnitude of 5 ampere. In both direction we are going to get the current value. You could take the capacitor or you could take the inductor. Okay guys, but in any direction our current will flow. It is not like the diode only in one direction, forward bias you are going to get current and reverse bias there is no current. But in this situation we are going to get the current in either direction irrespective of the sign. Okay guys, irrespective of the sign, either current could flow this side or this way. Okay guys, but anyhow we are going to get the current value from negative to positive, or if your current direction is negative to positive or positive to negative, only sign will change but magnitude will be same. Anyhow we are going to get from the both direction. That's why it is called the bilateral element. I hope everyone understood this concept. Thank you guys.